Hey everybody, welcome to the Clubhouse Basketball Parent Meeting. But of course we can't meet face to face, so here's the COVID version. Talk about tryouts and what's going to happen for the season. All right, tryouts begin Monday, December 7th. All 10th through 12th graders will be in the new gym right after school for 3 days. We'll make cuts at the end of the Wednesday practice at 5. All freshmen will start at 6 a.m. in the new gym, and then we'll make cuts and put teams together after that. So if we feel you can play JV or varsity, that's the team you will be put on. Tryout criteria, we talk about we'll need skill, effort, coachability, toughness, being a team player, and being dependable. These are all things that will buy into what we want. It's not just all about having great skill, but you have to have great effort, great attitude. I should have attitude on there, which goes into all those. We're looking for those things for our team. Practice times for teams up to Christmas, and all the kids will get this once we have our teams available. You can see the JV varsity will be after school or at 6, and where the freshmen will be in the morning all the time. If you notice, we practice every Saturday, the next 2 Saturdays to try to get prepared, and then hopefully have a game schedule for everybody very soon. Again, these will be out. So these are our practice times for up to Christmas. Masks. During practice, we will not be required to have masks, but we will expect the kids to stay a certain distance away when they are standing or doing something. Make sure you bring your own water bottle. Buses, stands, benches, in any store, you have to wear a mask. So a lot of mask wearing. We have to work through this as the year goes on. One thing you can do this year is if you want to ride with your parents, you can to and from games, not just from games now, but to. But you have to make sure you notify the coaches and the AD before. Okay, don't just call, oh, I'm riding with my parents. It needs to be done before. And be in contact with me if you're a varsity kid or whoever your coach is during as they're traveling up. And again, we'll have game schedules available for you soon. I'm going to head back to the tryout schedule so you have that. So here's our tryout schedule. If you have any questions, contact me on Remind. Make sure you get all your paperwork in. I didn't talk about paperwork through Dragonfly. It needs to be done before we start. So it needs to be done this week. We had to cancel open gym today, but we'll see everybody Monday. If you have any questions, please contact me. And this year our coaches will be myself. We have Coach Grenfell takes over for Mr. Lauren, and then Coach Wirt stays. So a little bit of shake-up, but it'll be fine, and we're looking forward to the year. Thank you.